I thought about just tapping it backwards and forwards to loosen it off. But then I realised I can't even move the back brake. Oh! Yeah, you can, but you can't get it back up. Oh dear. So I'm going to have to strip it all out to get it moved. Take the back wheel out, I should imagine. The front brakes, a different story completely. That's another one of the problems, that C solid there. Oh, look at that, the old brake shoes just fell off. It is a good job I took it out. Oh, this thing's going to need a lot more work than I anticipated. The swinging arm's not that bad, it just wants a really good wire brushing down. The back brake is seized in just there and just there, so I might just take that bolt out and clean it up, put it back on. It's no big deal. That's not good. I'm going to need quite a lot of newspaper and filler to cover that. No, I'm only joking. I'm going to cut it off and have a mono swinging arm. I've decided to have a go at repairing it. If it doesn't work, I'm not going to show you this clip of the video. First I need to weld it to a plate. This will stop it from twisting and bending. I've also put a tie rod through the shocker fittings. It's welded okay, that's a good sign. Next, cut out a section to take a closer inspection. So I've chopped a lump out to see how bad it is, and it's really not that bad at the ends. So it is just a matter of cutting that middle section out and replacing the tube. I'm pleased with that. That came out a treat. Everything should line up now. It'll be a long time before that rots out again. I've painted the swing arm and it's ready to go in. So what I really need to do now is put some grease in there, just pre-grease it, and then bit on the bolt, run it through. That should be fine. Oh, and don't forget the old spacers or bushes. I think they've got little seals in there. Look. So they go on the ends like that. I've cleaned the wheel up and I've also cleaned out the drum as best I can. So that's good. Now I just need to replace the shoes. They both fell off in the end. It's a good job I didn't try riding it. So these are quite simple to remove. You just pop them off like that. Pop your springs in your new shoes. And then just bend them back on. Simple. I've got the back wheel in and everything lined up a treat. So that's alright, even though I welded a new lump of tubing. That's brilliant, that is. Right, I'm going to have a go at this foot peg next. It's all sort of swelled up and all out of shape, all this bit here. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. The rust has almost gone right through on that. When I managed to get the rubber off, it was as good as new. So, that pops on there. So all that's left to do today is get the foot pegging I made, and that just fits in there nicely. Look at that. I'm just quickly putting this together so I can get it up the ramp and into the shed before the weather turns horrible. Right, I've now got it going on the start button. I bought a new solenoid. I cleaned all the terminations up on the wiring as much as I could. I've had a disaster with the front brake, literally. I bought a new seal kit for 20 quid for the master cylinder, and it was too big. So then I started messing about with this old one. I thought, oh, I wonder if it'll fit that. No, I spent a whole day. Then I realised I could have bought a new brake and master cylinder for 25 quid. I still can't see the funny side of it. Right, next I'm going to change the oil and oil filter. Then I'm going to alter my trailer and take it up the field and have some fun with it. After all, that's what owning a bike's all about, isn't it? If the bike's going to be seen on the back of my trailer, it's going to need a better colour scheme than this. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I shall see you all in the next video.